In this video, we are going to have a look at some more word problems related to pair of linear equations in two variables. The first question in this video is the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. We need to find them. Here we have two unknown numbers and they have been related in two different cases and we need to figure out the unknown numbers. So let's start our solution by assuming the two unknown numbers as x and y. So we'll assume let the numbers be x and y. Now we have been given two relations here. The first one being the difference between the two numbers is 26. So one number is greater than the other by 26 according to question case 1. In case 1 we have the difference between them as 26. So let's say x is greater than y by 26. We could have went the other way around as well and assumed y to be greater than x. So x minus y will give us 26. Now the next relation is one number is 3 times the other. Now definitely x we have already assumed to be the greater number. So let's say x is 3 times the other, that means 3 times of y. Equation 2. Now this is a ready-made situation for solving the equation through substitution method because the value of x is already related in terms of y. So we will put x equals to 3y in the other equation, that is equation 1. So in place of x we will write 3y and rest of the equation as it is. So minus y equals to 26. 3y minus 1y will give us 2y equals to 26. So y equals to 26 by 2 will give us 2 1s are 2, 2 13s are 26. So the value of y will be 13. Now put y equals to 13 in equation 2. Equation 2. So we will get x equals to 3y. In place of y we will replace it with 13. 3 into 13. So x equals to 3 13s are 39. So we got our two numbers as 39 and 13. So we'll conclude our answer. Hence the required numbers are 39 and 13. Now the next question, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. We need to find the supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means the pair of angles, two angles which adds up to 180 degree. The sum of the two angles, whenever it's 180 degree, they are known as supplementary angles. And the larger angle exceeds or is greater than the smaller by 18 degrees. So first and foremost, let's assume our supplementary angles to be x and y. Let the angles be x and y. So we have assumed the angles as x and y. We can assume some other variables as well. Now case 1. Case 1, we know the fact that sum of supplementary angles is 180 degree. So x plus y will be 180 degree. First equation. Then case 2, it has been given that the larger angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. So in case 2, let's say x is greater and it is greater than y by 18 degree. So x is 18 more than y. This will be our equation 2. This again readily supplies the conditions for solving the equations through substitution method. So we'll simply put the value of x as y plus 18 degree in the other equation, that is equation 1. So in place of x, we will write y plus 18 degree. Rest of the equation as it is, plus y equals to 180. Here y and y, they are like terms, so 1y plus 1y will give us 2y. Let's take 18 to the other side, so we will get 180 degree minus 18 degree. So we will get 2y equals to 180 minus 18 will be 162 degree. So y equals to 162 degree divided by 2. Now 2 can cancel this. 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2. So y equals to 81 degree. So we got the value of y, the one of the angles, as 81 degree. Now put y equals to 81 degree in equation 2. Our equation 2 is x equals to y plus 18 degree. So x equals to, in place of y, 81 plus 18. So we'll get x equals to 81 plus 18 will be 99 degrees. So we got the two supplementary angles as 81 degree and 99 degree. Hence, let's conclude. Hence, the required angles are 99 degree and 81 degree. Now the next question. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. We need to find the cost of each bat and each ball. So we'll start our solution by assuming the cost of each bat being rupees x and the cost of each ball being rupees y. So in case 1, the coach has bought 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. So cost of 7 bats will be 7x, because x is the cost of 1 bat, plus 6y, the cost of 6 balls, adding up will give us 3800 rupees. So this will be our equation number 1. Similarly, for case 2, the coach has bought 3 bats, so 3x plus 5 balls, so 5y will give us 1750 rupees. So this will be our equation 2. So the two equations are formed quite easily. It was readily given in the question itself. Now let's solve them. Let's use elimination method in order to solve this question. In order to cancel x, the LCM will be 21, and in order to cancel y, the LCM will be 30. So let's cancel y. You can cancel x as well. In order to cancel y, we'll multiply equation 1 by 5. 5 6 will give us 30. And in order to make 5 by 30, we'll multiply it with 6. So we have multiplied equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 6. Let's write it in words. Multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 6. We did so because we wanted the coefficients of y in both the equations to be 30. Now multiplying equation 1 by 5, 5 7s will give us 35x plus 5 6 30, so 30y, and 5 0s are 0, 5 0s are 0, 5 8s are 40, 4 in hand, 5 3s are 15, plus 4 will give us 19, so 19,000. Similarly, 6 3s are 18x plus 6 5s are 30, so 30y, 6 0s are 0, 6 5s are 30, 3 in hand, 6 7s are 42, 45, so 4 in hand, 6 1s are 6, plus 4 will give us 10. Now we wanted to cancel y. The coefficients are equal, but the signs are also similar, so we will subtract the two equations. So subtracting. So whenever we subtract the two equations, the sign of the lower equation gets reversed. So this will become minus, this will also become minus, this will also become minus. Throughout we had plus, so everything will turn out to be minus. Now 30y minus 30y, it can be cancelled. Plus minus minus, 35 minus 18 will give us 17x. On the other side, we'll subtract 0, 0. We need to borrow 1. 10 minus 5 will give us 5. 8 is remaining, so 8500. Now, x equals to 8500 divided by 17. 17 ones is 17, 17 fives is 85, and we have two zeros at the back. So the value of x is 500, or the cost of one bat is 500. Now, so let's put x equals to 500 in equation 2, which is 3x plus 5y equals to 1750. So 3 into, in place of x, 500 plus 5y equals to 1750. 3 into 500 will give us 1500 plus 5y equals to 1750. Now let's take 1500 to the other side. We'll get 5y equals to 1750 minus 1500. 5y equals to, subtracting 1500 from 1750, we'll get 250. So y equals to 250 by 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 0 is 0. So we got the value of y as 50. And we can conclude our answer as, hence the cost of each bat is rupees 500 and the cost of each ball is rupees 50. Now in the next question, we have a lending library which has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. That means the library will allow you to keep the book for first 3 days on a fixed charge, but if you exceed 3 days, then you have to pay extra charge every day. A girl named Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book she kept for 7 days, while Susie paid 21 rupees for the book which she kept for 5 days. We need to find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So we'll start our solution by assuming the fixed charge, which is for the first 3 days, to be rupees x, and the charge for each extra day to be rupees y. So in case 1, we have charge paid by Sarita for 7 days. That means she has kept the book for 4 extra days, as the charge for the first 3 days are fixed. So she has kept the book for 4 extra days and she has paid rupees 27. So fixed charge x for the first 3 days plus 4 days extra charge. 4 into y, she is giving 27 rupees. This will be our equation 1. Now on to case 2. The charge paid by Susie for 5 days, that is 2 extra days after the first 3 days, she has paid rupees 21. So fixed charge x for the first 3 days plus 2 days extra charge equals to 21. Equation number 2. So now let's solve the two equation. Elimination method looks really convenient here, and we don't even need to multiply with constants, as the coefficients of the two equations, the coefficients of x of the two equations, they are exactly the same. So solving equation 1 and 2, x plus 4y equals to 27, x plus 2y equals to 21. Since the signs are same for the variables that we want to cancel, that's why we will subtract. So on subtracting the two equations, we will get the sign of the lower equation will get reversed. So plus x minus x, equal and opposite cancelled, plus 4y minus 2y will give us 2y equals to 27 minus 21 will be 6. So y equals to 6 by 2, 2 3s are 6. So we got the value of y as 3. The charge for extra day as rupees 3. Now we will put y equals to 3 in one of the two equations. Y equals to 3 in equation, let's put it in 2. X plus 2 into, in place of y we'll put 3 equals to 21. X plus 2, 3 is 6 equals to 21. X equals to 21 minus 6. So x equals to 15. We got the fixed charge as 15. So we can conclude, hence the fixed charge is rupees 15 and the charge for each extra day is rupees 3. Now on to the next question. A girl named Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. So Meena was particular, she wanted only 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes in her 2000 rupees. Meena got 25 notes in all. So she received 25 notes in total. We need to find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 did Meena received. So we'll start our solution by assuming that Meena got X 50 rupees notes and Y 100 rupees notes. Now in case 1, we have been given the fact that the total money withdrawn by Meena is rupees 2000. In this 2000 rupees, Meena has X 50 rupees notes and Y 100 rupees notes. So X 50 rupees notes will give her a sum of 50x, 50 into X, plus Y 100 rupees notes will give her 100y, 100 into y, and this will total up to 2000. Now here, since 50 and 100 they have a common factor which can be taken common, which is 50, because 50 can divide both. So we'll take 50 common, then we'll have x remaining from 50x plus 52 is 100, so 2 will remain from 100y, 2y will remain from 100y, equals to 2000. Now let's take 50 to the other side. We'll get x plus 2y equals to 2000 by 50. This will just make the equation a bit more simpler. 0 0 at the back can be cancelled, then 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 0s are 0. So we got our first equation as x plus 2y equals to 40. So this is our equation number 1. Now in case 2, it has been given to us that Meena has received 25 notes in all. Number of notes she has received is 25. So x 50 rupees notes plus y 100 rupees notes in total is 25. So this is second equation, quite easy. Now this two equation can also be solved using elimination method, and for that we don't even need to multiply with any constant because the coefficients of x are already same. So we simply need to subtract the two equations. X plus 2y equals to 40, the first equation. X plus y equals to 25, the second equation. Since the signs are similar, so we'll again subtract the equations. So the sign of the lower equation gets reversed, plus x minus x cancelled, plus 2y minus 1y will give us 1y or simply y. 40 minus 25 will be 15. So the value of y is 15. That is, she has received 1500 rupees notes. Now we'll put y equals to 15 in one of the equation. Let's put it in equation number 2. Put y equals to 15 in equation 2. On doing so, we'll get x plus 15 equals to 25. Now taking 15 to the other side, we'll get x equals to 25 minus 15, or x equals to 10. Now we can conclude our answer. Hence Meena received 10 rupees 50 notes and 1500 rupees, no, 100 rupees notes. So Meena received 10 50 rupees notes and 1500 rupees notes.